Hi, I'm going to give you a short demo of email application which has been developed on Informatica Power Center. So this email application is an Informatica Power Center based tool which uses a continuously running workflow to read and save emails from a remote mail server. As you can see in the user guide, it says the tool checks for new mail after a predefined time interval which can be set by the user. So this tool is nothing but a workflow which has one mapping, and it uses a Java transformation to read and save mails to a local directory. If you go and see the monitor, the workflow is now running. It uses the Informatica scheduler so that the workflow can run continuously. So if you go here and edit the workflow, go to the scheduler, you can see that it's marked as run continuously. So this workflow, and the source is a simple flat file .csv file which has all the parameters. This is the flat file. This workflow reads this parameter file. This parameter file contains parameters like login, password, host, protocol, path, sleep, flag, from date and to date. Now it reads these parameters for each run. In this example, we can see the login is rohit.ranjan@exceler.com, the password, the host, this login ID is hosted on Google Mail, the protocol, which is IMAPS, the path is where you want to save your mails. This can be a local directory. Then next is the sleep time. This is the time interval after which your application will go and read the inbox. This flag can be U or R. Details of these parameters are in the user guide. So U means it will read only unread mails, R means it will read only read mails. From date and to date is the time interval during which you want to check your mails. For example, here it's between 31st May 2011 to 31st December 2012. So before you import this workflow using a repository manager, you need to have these two jar files in your Java lib directory called activation.jar and mail.jar. You can easily get it from the internet. You place them here and import the workflow using your repository manager. Now after you check in everything, the workflow should start automatically, and now I'm going to send a mail to this email box, and we'll see whether it creates a directory at the target path. So this is my target, and it should create a directory with the email contents here. So let's send a mail. And let's mark it test mail. Let's also attach a file. Let us attach the user guide for this tool, and content can be this is a test mail, and send it. Now our applications should read that email and create a directory here. So let's see. So after the time interval is 60 seconds, so as soon as this reaches 60, we should see a directory here. Let's wait. Yes, you can see that a directory has been created. The name of the directory is the subject of the mail along with a timestamp. If you open the directory, you can see there are two files. The first one contains the contents of the mail. So it gives information such as from where the mail was sent, to which user it was sent, was the subject, when was it received, and the content of the mail. It is also giving me information what attachments, if it had any. As you can see, the attachment has also been downloaded here, the user guide. So this is a pretty simple tool where you just need a single workflow, and it can run in the background. You can adjust its parameters according to your need, and you need not stop the workflow if you want to change the inbox or change any other parameters of the email. Okay, thank you.